So hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about top MBA colleges in district Nagpur. So these colleges have very good infrastructure. They are NAC graded. They are also AICTE approved institute. They provide very good placement to MBA students and they are affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University, and some institute are also NBA accredited. So let us begin with first institute, Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management. It is situated at Lonad, Nagpur, and they have 60 seats for MBA. This institute is NAC A graded. It is run by Sri Ramdev Sarvajanik Samiti. They have very good infrastructure. They also offer MCA program, that is Master in Computer Application, and companies like ZS Associate, Shahaj Technologies, L&T, Tata Consultancy Service, Capgemini, and many more company comes and visit and recruit the MBA students from this particular institute. The highest salary package was got by one of the student. It was 23 lakh per annum. So this is one of the very good institute in Nagpur district to pursue MBA. Okay, now next institute is Ankush Shikshan Sanstha, GH Raisoni College of Engineering. It is situated at Hingna Road, Nagpur district, and they have total 60 seats for MBA. It is a NAC A plus graded institute. It was established in 1996 and they have NIRF, that is National Institute of Ranking Framework ranking. It was 139th rank they have got, and it is affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. They have total 24 different institute and 100 plus companies visit to this institute and recruit the MBA students, and with very good salary packages. Now next is Amar Seva Mandal's Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya. It is situated at Raghuji Nagar, Nagpur district, and they have 60 seats. Guys, this is also a NAC A plus graded institute. It is run by Vanjeri Group of Institution. It is affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. It is a premier institute in Vidarbha region. It has great infrastructure with hostel facility. They have good placement records also for MBA students. Now next is Vidarbha Bahudesh Shikshan Sanstha, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. It is situated at Mogaon, Nagpur district, and they have 120 seats. Now it is also a NAC A plus graded institute. This college is also AICTE approved institute, that is All India Council for Technical Education. It also offer MCA course, that is Master in Computer Application. Companies like HCL, Ebix, Wipro, Blue Star, and many more companies visit and recruit the MBA students with good amount of salary packages. Now next is GS College of Commerce and Economics, Department of Management Sciences and Research. It is situated at Amravati Road, Nagpur district, and they have total 60 seats for MBA, and it is a NAC A graded institute. It was established in 1945. It is affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. It is an autonomous institute. They offer courses like BBA and MCA, and they also provide very good placement to MBA students. Now next is KDK College of Engineering. It is situated at Nandanvan, Nagpur, and they have total 60 seats for MBA, and it is NAC B plus plus graded institute. It is also NBA A graded institute, and it is run by KDK Group of Institute. Companies like Toppers, Byju's, Tata Consultancy, Tech Mahindra, and many more companies visit to this institute and recruit the MBA students. They have very good infrastructure. They have hostel facility, well developed library. Now next institute is Sri Santilal Badjate Charitable Trust, SB Jain Institute of Technology, Management and Research. It is situated at Kamleshwar Road, Nagpur district, and they have total 60 seats for MBA. It is also a NAC A graded institute. It is a Hindi Linguistic Minority Institute. It is affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. They have well developed library with 25,000 books collection, and also provides scholarship to needy students. Companies like Airtel, Amazon, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Tata Consultancy, Accenture, and many more company visit to this institute and recruit the MBA students with good salary package. Now next is Yugantar Education Society Tripude Institute of Management Education. It is situated at Balasaheb Tripude Marg, Nagpur district, and they have total 180 seats for MBA. It is NAC B++ graded institute, and it is also a AICTE approved institute. It also offer BBA course, that is Bachelor in Business Administration. They have good infrastructure. Now next is Green Haven Institute of Management and Research. It is situated at Village Rui, Nagpur, and they have total 120 seats. It is also a NAC B+ graded institute. It is run by Jai Durga Bahuuddeshya Janakalyan Sanstha. They also provide very good placement to MBA students. Companies like Axis Bank, Bombay Stock Exchange, Bharat Capital, and many more company visit to this institute. Now next is Priyadarshini Lokmanya Tilak Institute of Management Studies and Research. It is situated at Digdoh Hills, Nagpur district, and they have total 120 seats. It has completed 26 years of existence. It is also a NAC graded institute, and it is run by Lokmanya Tilak Janakalyan Sanstha. It also offers BBA course. They also have very good placement cell through which MBA students can be recruited in various companies. Now next is Sri Sai Shikshan Sanstha, Nagpur Institute of Technology, NIT Graduate School of Management. It is situated at Mahurzari, Nagpur district, and they have total 120 seats for MBA. It was established in 2008, and it is affiliated to Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University, and they have huge campus. It is spread in 26 acre, and it is a NAC B graded institute. Top companies recruit these students of this institute. Companies like Microsoft, Tata Consultancy Service, Global Logic, L&T, and many more companies visit to this institute. Now next is Vaiganga College of Engineering and Management. It is situated at Dongargaon, Nagpur district, and they have total 120 seats, and they have very good infrastructure. It is also a AICTE approved institute, and it is NAC B graded institute. They offer courses like MBA in Finance, HR, and Marketing, and many companies visit to this institute and provide jobs to MBA students. Now next is Datta Meghe Institute of Management and Studies. It is situated at Pratapnagar, Nagpur, and they have total 120 seats. It is a NBA accredited institute. They have completed 25 years of existence. It was established in 1994, and it is affiliated to Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. It is also approved by AICTE. They offer MBA courses like Financial Marketing, HR and Operation Management, Health Care Management, Business Analytics, and recruit the students from this institute. So guys, this is all about top colleges of MBA in Nagpur district. If you want preparation for Maharashtra MBA CET, so you can join our online and live classes. For that, you can call to our board line number 8828581455. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manovaredu.com for MBA entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box, so do check the description box. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific to MBA entrance, so you can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.